Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a rosemary oil for my hair. So I don't have fresh rosemary, but I did have rosemary leaves in my cabinet, and I'm going to be using olive oil. I didn't have plain extra virgin olive oil, but I do have rosemary infused olive oil. So I guess that will help as well because it's infused with the rosemary. And the carrier oil that I'll be adding to my oil mixture will be avocado oil. So I'm going to start off with um, 2 tablespoons of the rosemary leaves. Well, maybe a tablespoon and a half will be good. Okay. About that much. And then I'm going to put a 1/4 cup because I'm not going to make a lot. I just want to make enough for the week. So I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of the rosemary infused extra olive oil. Now you don't have to have this the rosemary infused olive oil. You can use plain extra virgin olive oil, but this is what I have in my cabinet, so that's why I'm using this. And we're gonna do a 1/4 cup. Okay. Get all of that out of there. And then I'm going to do a tablespoon of the avocado oil. Okay. And then I don't have a double boiler. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on low and let it get hot. And make sure that you're mixing it while it is warming up, because you want the rosemary to infuse the oil. Okay. Okay, so I left it on for about 5 minutes and it was boiling. It's still hot. So I'm going to let it cool down, and then I'm going to strain it, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now the oil has cooled down enough for me to strain it. So I'm going to strain it in my cup. And make sure we get it all out because of the seeds. See, there's the seeds. Okay. So I didn't get very much because I didn't use very much oil. So I got about that much, right? So I have a bottle like this that I'm going to put the oil in. I just have to get my funnel. Now I have my funnel and I'm going to pour my oil in here. And voila! We have now made us a hair oil, a rosemary hair oil that I will, and this is about how much I made. Not a lot, because it doesn't take a lot for you to use and put on. So I didn't make a lot. I just made a lot, enough for the week. But so you put this on your hair once every 2 days. Well, I'm going to be putting it on my hair once every 2 days, and we're going to see. I'm going to eventually show you guys the length of my hair, and then we're going to see what the rosemary oil does for my hair. All right, guys, catch me on the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.